Well, hello everyone, it's your motherfucking Prince of all the Saiyans, and today I have another reaction video for all of you. This one is called Mastered Ultra Instinct Kakarot vs. Jiren. Without further ado, here we go. Right.
You're going down, boy.
What? What is
You're
this?
gonna get it. I'm gonna kick your ass, motherfucker.
What?
You want a piece of those? You want a piece of those?
What? What the hell? This is a boxing match?
Huh? I'm coming to get you.
Jiren's a fucking dinosaur.
What happened? Am I too fast for you? Maybe I'm right behind
The
you.
hell is
What
this?
you want, Bobby?
Warrior. Sleep.
Yes. What the fuck? What? Why he's so grumpy? This is great. What? This is some bullshit. He just punched him one time, then he has Ultra Instinct, really? Area 51. Uh-oh.
Yes, bitches. Check out my godly shape.
What?
Yeah.
No, I don't want to see that. Ah, Frieza's a ballerina. Now that's beautiful. That's fantastic. I approve of this. I approve of all of this. Yes, yes, yes. Kakarot just has no form. He's a boxer. Gets punched one time. Ultra Instinct magically appears. Pretty accurate to the show. And then all of a sudden, Jiren ends up in Area 51. He's getting dissected, and everyone's filling him up in his ball sack. And then all of a sudden, we transition, and we see Frieza in his ballerina uniform. Ooh, doing all that shit. Yeah, that's pretty accurate. I hope you guys enjoyed this reaction, and if you did, make sure you watch the original video. The link to it will be down below in the description. And don't forget to leave a like on this reaction and share it around for everyone in need of vitamin D. And don't forget to leave a recommendation for another reaction down in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe for more of me, and you will get the D.